Hello friends, welcome to another video. Have you ever noticed that some software is checking validity of GSTN in offline mode? How is it possible? In this video, we will show you the small trick behind the GSTN generation. So let's move on to the video. We all know that GSTN is a 15-digit alphanumeric code. But do you know what each digit represents? For that, let's understand the structure of GSTN. The first two digits represents the state code as per Indian Census 2011. Every state has a unique state code. Let's look the state code under GST. The next 10 digit will be PAN of taxpayer. The 13th digit will be assigned based on the number of registration within a state. If you have one registration in Kerala, then the digit will be 1. The 14th digit will be set by default for all GST. Now the last digit in GSTN will be checksum digit. Everyone can simply guess the first 14 characters of GSTN. And what about the last digit? GSTN itself holds a self-validation control feature, that is checksum digit. Checksum digit is not a random generated number. This is a product of all the first 14 digits in GST. So that any change or wrong entry in first 14 digit will also affect checksum digit. Now let's see how to find out checksum digit by way of a simple calculation. A checksum digit should be in between 0 and Z. That is 36 place characters starting from 0 to 9 and A to Z. First, we need to find out place value of all 14 digits. Place value of 3 will be 3, 2 will be 2, S will be 28, R will be 27, E will be 14, and so on. Then assign factors to all place values. That is 1 for first place, then 2, then again 1, 2, and so on. Now we have place value and factors. Then multiply place value with factor. We will get PV into F for all 14 places. Then divide value of PV into F by 36, that is total number of places. You will get quotient and remainder. Add quotient and remainder. Then add values of all 14 columns to get sum of T. Then divide that value by 36 and enter the remainder below. Subtract remainder from 36. And find out corresponding place value from place value table to get checksum. Here corresponding place value of 5 will be 5 and checksum of this GSTN will be 5.